If you follow my channel, you know a couple of months back I reviewed a very nice affordable Android tablet. It was the Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite. I loved its gorgeous full HD display, very sharp and crisp. I love its quad speakers giving you that excellent sound, and I loved its pen support. Well, I've got some exciting news. I've teamed up with Huawei to bring you a very special giveaway. We're giving away a Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite. That's right, you could win one. It's very simple. All you have to do is follow the instructions in the description of this video. You have to be subscribed to my channel, follow me on my social media, and you have to leave a comment in this video telling me exactly what you would do with that MediaPad M5 Lite, what you like about it, and you are then entered to win. Now this contest will be open for 30 days starting today. So make sure you enter, make sure you follow the rules. Now this giveaway is only open to US residents only. Unfortunately, I can't do an international giveaway. That was the rule set by Huawei. So they want to really keep it towards US only, and of course that's the way we're going to do it. Hopefully next time we can do an international giveaway, because I know a lot of my audience, of course, is living outside the United States. But this one is open US only, so your chances are, I think, are very good. Make sure you enter to win. All the details in the description below. And I want to thank Huawei for doing this giveaway with me. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's a device or something out there you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram, and of course my website, amdtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMD Tech. See ya.